So here I am just showing you the difference in the sound with and without the sound deadening. As you can hear, it's a lot more kind of echoey without the deadening. And now I just simply lay the deadening on top of the van, just stick it on, and you just roll it out. It really is very simple to do. You just have to really roll it on there just to get a good stick to the van. More bassy. And as you can see, you really don't need like large amounts to go on a van. It's really quite small pieces I've used, and it made such a difference. It's really quite amazing. And so I've just placed that all over in certain points on all the panels, and yeah. Next up will be the installation of the insulation, the installation as it were. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.